world. And here we're in Wrangell, Alaska. Now Wrangell is just south of Juneau and a little north of Ketchikan. And we're staying here at the Sourdough Lodge. And here with me today I have Gary Murphy. Gary, what do you think about this so far?
Well, so far we've spent a whole day traveling in airports, and we got here. We pretty much rested up today, and got up, had a good breakfast, packed a lunch, and we're in for a day's adventure, I think, Rick.
Yeah, it looks like it. So far what we've got lined up is we're going to go down to the airport, and we're going to jump on a float plane, and the float plane is going to take us to a little lake up in the mountains here. It's called Virginia Lake, and he's going to fly us in on the lake. It'll be a freshwater trip. We're going to go after some trout, and then come back to this evening, and that float plane will pick us up from there. And so that should be some great stuff.
Oh, I can't wait.
Wait. And now later on in a couple days, my brother Chuck Wagner is going to meet up with us here, and we're going to go out. He's got a group of fishermen out right now. And he'll meet us on Saturday, and then we'll be going out with him all week fishing for halibut and salmon. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be an exciting week.
Hey, Rick,
okay?
What do you think? Let's go fishing.
Let's do it.
All right.
Okay, here we are at the airport. We're going to be going out on Sunrise Aviation's airplane here, and we're going to be heading out here shortly. We're loading up everything, and here's a little shot of the airport. Alaska Airlines is right down there. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, about 70 degrees. Right over in those mountains is where we're going to be going. There's a lake right up in there, and that's where we're going to land and do some fishing for some trout.
Pretty cold winters up here?